Okay, this is my sewing machine. Never used it. I don't know how. It's not a sewing machine. It's a computer. Well, it's both. It makes quilt. This is for quilting. You can make quilts. This is for embroidering. It does everything. It really does everything. I just don't know how to use it. It comes with a flash drive. See, it's for like you make these fancy designs. You can change the font, any font you want. You can have trees or flowers or animals. You could do whatever you want with this thing. If you're smart enough to read the manual, I guess. I don't know. I just thought I'd show you what I have. You can get sewing machines. I've seen them at Walmart for $50. I should have bought a $50 one. This one cost about $900. Look for the video on YouTube. Where is it? Yikes. There it is. Can you see it? It's a Singer. I love Singers. I wish I had my grandmother's. It's a manual kind. You don't plug it in. You know, the old-fashioned kind. They're beautiful. And I was thinking, why can't we have those old sewing machines back? They're manual. They don't require computer parts or electricity or anything. It's steel. Steel and wood, they must be made from a mold. It must be easy. And are you going to tell me that we ran out of steel on this planet? I don't think so. So it's got to be cheap because there's a whole bunch of that stuff, right? I don't know. Just a thought. Have fun today. Bye.